Do you want to make simple craft like this? Let's try them out. Take a sheet, have these sheets. It will come in a packet. Take it out and pick out one sheet. It's a square already cut. So you fold it, fold again. Take note of the folds. These two sides is visible and they are open. So when you cut the paper, you want to cut from this side. We stop at this point down. From here, the cutting will begin till here. That's how the curve is cut. Next, so you want take this. Notice that I leave a gap here and then I cut all the joints are on one side. So from the open side, I open it up and I get a petal like 4 petal flower. Now I keep it folded back and make a cut of the petal same way like this. I get one inside the other. I'm going to fold all to one side. The line, center line to one side, making it easy. Okay. Put it in. Like this. And I'm going to put a bead on top. This can be used as drill display or for little kids, and also you can use it as this display, and you can do a variety with different shapes.